Okay, so may banig na rin. No? So, kumpleto na. So, at least, di ba? Oh, this is the banig.
Plastic mat para matibay dito.
So, kasha? Actually?
Dalawa pa lagi yan.
Maluwag to, ha?
Dalawa pa lagi yan, sir, kasi we want to separate yung mother and daughter and then father and son. Tapos, yung ating mosquito net ay malaria treated.
Malaria treated.
Then we also have blankets.
Yeah. And because this is for water.
This is for water.
Dalawa yan, dalawa.
So they fetch them.
Pakibuhan dyan. Dalawa yan. So collapsible yan. Pero yung bibigyan natin later,
yung
malaki. Para pag naligo sila, dala-dala na lang.
Tama.
May pihitan yan, hands-free, pag naligo sila.
Sige.
How many people?
Minimum 5. But they can add more.
No, if it's with kids.
Pati gamit nila, they can put some.
RD needs to know that. RD, so one kitchen daw per 50.
Community kitchen. One zone.
What about triage and
Yung gitna yung mga community facilities. So we have a clinic for the triage. Then we have a child-friendly space para sa mga bata.
Okay.
And then we also have counseling, breastfeeding room. Nakahiwalay din yun.
Okay.
Yun. So nakahiwalay lahat yung mga. Nasa gitna siya para center, mapupunta ng mga tao. Kaya we actually, it's important to know ilan ba talagang mapupunta rito para ma-design.
Nasa si Vice, I think what they need to know for this one is your estimate of how many do you think are going to be here for a while and how many will be here for the unforeseeable future. Kasi yung mga nawagan ng bahay. So we need to program the plan based on your needs.
Actually, sir, their numbers right now sa dislocated family is about 2,000. But I'm not sure everybody might want to move here.
Yes.
So maybe we can start with about 500 lang.
Okay.
So mag-goal muna tayo.
People or families?
We can
Families.
make
So 510.
10 zones.
So 10 zones tayo initially. So RD, we have to plan for
Yes po. We'll be looking at
510.
Dalawang ba yung ginawa ng plan? Ayan, kinakita ko.
Yeah.